Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to install OXOO PHP script. So before starting the video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. I will also make the mobile app setup video as well. First of all, unzip the file and go to following directory. Then select all files and compress it to a zip archive. Now log into your hosting cPanel and go to the file manager. In the file manager, go to public_html folder and upload your compressed zip archive. Now extract the zip archive. After extracting, now delete the zip file. Now go to MySQL database wizard and create a database and a user. Make sure to keep database info in a notepad. Now go to your website URL and it will auto-redirect you to installation page. Check if you have all of the requirements marked as green or not. Contact your hosting provider for more info. Now fill up all the details here. If you don't know what to fill in the purchase code field, then I will give a link below to get your purchase code. After filling up all details, click install and wait a bit. After installation process getting completed, click on go to admin dashboard and sign in with credential you gave during installation. Now after signing in, again go to your file manager through cPanel and go to public_html folder and delete the install folder. This is it for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. I will make a new video on the OXOO app setup video soon. So keep an eye out for that and subscribe, it really makes my day.